Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Alright, first things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure the bell notification is rung so you know when I upload new videos. So let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Spider Farmer SF1000 EVO light. Spider Farmer actually ended up sending me this light to test out. So I will be setting up a grow tent with another older SF1000 and we'll be comparing those two lights together and growing to see which one will do better. But as you can already see from unboxing, this thing's packaged pretty well. I do like the little custom Spider Farmer cardboard they have set up there. The light also comes with these really cool Spider Farmer decals. I'll be sure to put these up maybe in the grow tent. And it is nice since you do get two different versions of the decals with multiple different sizes, so you have options. Along with the decals, you also get this Spider Farmer user manual. This pretty much just tells you all the information on the lights, the setup instructions, the warranty information, and if you have any issues, pretty much all the specs on the other lights too. This light is good for a 3x3 veg or a 2x2 flowering. In my case, I am going to be setting it up in pretty much its own little 2x2 section in my 4x2 grow tent along with my other SF1000. All in all, this light was packaged very well. It also got to my house very fast. I think the estimated shipment was like a week, but it ended up getting to my house in like 2 days, maybe 3 days. This is the back of the light. You can see the Spider Farmer driver and the daisy chain controller and dimmer. So some of my first thoughts on this light, the LEDs are actually set up pretty differently. Usually the LEDs are all like in lines and rows, and this light seems to have it displaced better, so I'm guessing the light spread will be a lot more even. And lastly, you get the wire braided hangers, the ratchet hangers, and the daisy chain. So right here you can see I have the new SF1000 EVO set up next to the older SF1000, and you can see what I was talking about, the LED setup. They are set up quite differently, so I am guessing the newer one is more for a more even light spread. Whereas you can see the older setup, I'm guessing the light was more focused in the center where everything's clustered, and the newer setup, everything is going to be more spread out and evenly distributed. So it will be very interesting to see how these two lights grow. The older light, I want to say, is the model from 2019. This might have been one of the first SF1000 Spider Farmer came out with. And obviously the SF1000 EVO is the newest model they have out for the 1000 series. So here's the back of the lights. As you can see, the new light does have the daisy chain and dimmer on it. The older light unfortunately doesn't have that. It only has the ballast. This is the little info sticker on the light. Now when you look at the older light, you can see it has the older style ballast like I mentioned. This is an older info sticker as well. This is my buddy Tom's light. I think he used it for 1 or 2 grows, and he actually ended up upgrading to a bigger light. So I ended up snagging this light off him. But as you can see, the two lights side by side, the new EVO light really does look sharp though, I have to admit. So I actually went ahead and already set up the grow tent with the lights, the carbon filter, the fans, and the air ventilation as well. I'm still not too sure if I want to do 2 seeds or 2 clones, so let me know in the comments what you think. So once again, this is the daisy chain and dimmer on the newer light, and this is just the old light once no daisy chain or dimmer. But let's fire these lights up and see how bright they are. I'm actually having really high hopes for this new light. I'm also curious to see if it's going to be more of a white light or a yellow light. In this clip I had the SF1000 EVO at full brightness, and as you can see, even with less LEDs, this thing is still pretty bright. The LEDs on the SF1000 EVO actually seem to be brighter than the LEDs on the SF1000. Either way, I still am pretty excited to see how both these lights are going to do when I put 2 plants underneath them. I'm still not sure if I should do 2 clones or 2 seeds, so let me know in the comments. And here I'm just simply dimming the light all the way down. Still sucks that the old SF1000 can't be dimmed, but it is what it is. I will have links for the SF1000 EVO at the Spider Farmer website, and I should have an 8% discount code coming in soon. So subscribe, hit the bell notification, and stick around for the Spider Farmer grow.